Where is it?
Well, I have to modify this a little bit. All particles that we consist of get mass from the Higgs particle. There are particles which do not seem to interact with the Higgs particle, namely the neutrinos. And so the standard model is not completely complete. It is probably only a low energy approximation of something larger, which also explains the mass of the neutrinos, which also explains the dark matter. So at the moment we don't know. But electrons and protons and neutrons, the quarks inside them, get mass by interacting with the Higgs. So one way of looking at it is to imagine that the Higgs field is something which pervades all the universe. It's everywhere. It's here in the room, it's out in the black space, it's everywhere. And so every particle which moves through this field, and it's forced to, will interact with the Higgs particles, and in that way gets mass.
All the time, now.
All the time now.
And we don't see it.
We don't, I mean, we are born like that, right? So we wouldn't feel the field.
But where does this field and the particle come from?
Well, this is something that we actually don't know. I mean, this must have happened in the Big Bang somehow, that this is how our universe is constructed, that there is this field. It is possible that this field was part of the inflation process, which blew up the universe from a very tiny size to what we have today. We also don't know that. We don't know if there's only one Higgs field or maybe there's more Higgs fields. So there are still mysteries to be solved.